Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long time since I posted something, so here we go. What I got today over here, guys, is a 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer, and today I'll be replacing the fog light. I actually got some LED fog lights. First of all, because the original, the one that I came with this one, it was broken, so it was not working. I just got this vehicle last week, and I got this set of headlights, fog lamps on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. They're I think they were 6,000 lumens. They're cool white. They're H11s originally, and these are supposed to be replacing in them. And these are, it's actually 8,000 lumens, 600 Kelvin color temperature. So this is gonna be really white, because currently the one that is working is the one on the passenger side, and it's actually really yellow. So I'll be replacing them, and just check it out. So the first thing I'm gonna do over here is pull this trim. It just comes out. It got some little tabs right there, and then you pull it out. It's not too hard. And then you got 3 Phillips head screws right there, top right, bottom right, and top left. So let me get my screwdriver, take those out. All right, 1, 2, the one right there inside. This one came loose because I had already taken out the broken bulb. Literally right there, just push this tab in, pull it out. So what I'm gonna do right now is replace my bulb in that connector right there, so that I can put my fog light back in. So this right here comes with a little tab you open up, and it comes with 2 separate boxes, one for each of the light bulbs. Take it out, and this is the light bulb. I just got this from Amazon yesterday. Comes protected right there, and it has this little fan, supposed to be really quiet. LED on 2 sides, and here's the plug, H11. And it's isolated with that rubber gasket. So let's put it on. When you come over here, it really doesn't matter what side you put it on. You just plug it in. You'll hear a click, and that's it. It's on. Now to put it inside the bulb, the housing itself, you just gotta twist it on. Let me see if I can put this right here. Let's grab this, look for the turn, and turn it, and you're set. Now repeat the process to put it back in there, and you should be good. So let me go ahead and put those screws back in and turn it on so you can see the difference. Then this one, just press it back in, and it's on good. Now let's see. Let's go back inside this. Got the push start. Should be on right there. And let's see what we got. it's not working. So let me figure it out why. So I figured out why. Apparently it's polarity sensitive, so all I did was unhook it and then turn it. Oh look, right there you got the plus and the negative. So make sure you follow those. Flip it, fan is running right there. But now look, completely white. Let me put it back on so that you can see it. And here it is. Look at the difference. I can't wait to drive at night with those. So I'm gonna repeat the process on the other one. Make sure you check the polarity and you should be good to go. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look at my other videos. I changed the spark plugs on that Lancer right there. I changed the fog lights on this Ram. Check out the video links in the descriptions. And see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.